In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create weekly reports from Trello data. Start by opening Trello and signing in to your account. Once you're in, click Continue to move ahead. From there, open the board where you want this weekly report automation to run. Make sure you're on the correct board, because the report card will be created there automatically each week. Next, look near the top of the board and click Automation. This is where Trello lets you build simple workflows that happen on their own, so you don't have to repeat the same task every week. Inside the automation area, click Rules. Then from the left sidebar, choose Scheduled. This section is specifically for automations that run on a set timing, which is exactly what you need for a weekly report setup. Now click Create Automation. This opens the automation builder, where you'll define when the report should be created and what Trello should do when that time arrives. First, click Add Trigger. Set the trigger to run weekly. This tells Trello to activate the automation once every week without you needing to remember it manually. After that, click Save to lock in the schedule. With the weekly timing in place, the next part is telling Trello what action to perform. Click Add Action, then choose Create Card. This means that every time the weekly trigger runs, Trello will automatically generate a new card for you. In the card name field, enter Weekly Report. This keeps the title consistent, so it's easy to recognize each time the automation runs. After naming the card, choose the list where you want these report cards to appear. Pick a list that makes sense for tracking, reviewing, or storing reports so they stay organized and easy to find later. Once that's selected, click Save. At this point, your weekly Trello report automation is set up. Trello will now create a card called Weekly Report in the list you chose every week according to the schedule you set. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip before you go, it's a good idea to keep all report cards in one dedicated list so your board stays tidy and your recurring reports don't get mixed in with daily task cards. You may also want to check the automation after the first scheduled run, just to confirm the card appears exactly where you expect. That's it for this tutorial, and now you've got a simple weekly reporting system running automatically inside Trello.